Hi, I'm Kevin Falvey, and I'm here aboard the E-Class 822 Splash Pad LTZ by Qwest. Qwest Pontoons is known for practicality, giving boaters all that they need in a value-oriented, rugged, durable, long-lasting package. Stick with me and I'll show you how this boat lives up to that promise. So what are some of these features, these practicalities that Qwest incorporates that experienced boaters really appreciate? Check out this bimini. It's 9 foot long and it's over 6 feet high. Not to mention it comes with an attractive curved frame. All the boats feature black powder coating for attractive, durable, good looks for the long term. Qwest puts in a raw water washdown. Hey, that's great if you catch a fish, but it's just as great if you spill a drink or if you want to rinse off sandy feet coming in off the beach. There's also a handy waterproof storage area at the helm, which I really appreciated. Our test boat was powered by Suzuki's DF200 outboard. Power assist steering made controlling this engine easy, and we cruised across the lake using this Suzuki power. Additionally, the boat runs on the Generation 2 Tri-Tune. It's triple tubes with lifting strakes, and they're all set at the same level. That provides even turning and buoyancy. A showcase feature aboard this Qwest pontoon is the Splash Pad Aft Lounge. This lounge converts into 4 different configurations, starting with the way you see it here. Several people can sit and face aft, several people can sit and face forward, but the backrests move. Lay them both completely flat and you've created a huge sunbed or sun pad where people can lay down prone. Or move the backrest individually. Move the aft backrest and erect that and lay down the front backrest and people can sit and recline facing forward. Do the opposite and people can recline facing aft. One note about this aft lounge, you can't be sitting back here facing aft while the boat is underway. Seating in the bow of the boat is just as innovative. With a couple of easy pulls, the bow benches convert to a sleeper seating configuration. To be clear, those front sleeper seats, the triple tubes, the washdown system, and this 9-inch Garmin display at the helm, all optional equipment. So I hope I've shown you that Qwest delivers practicality and rugged durability. To learn more about this boat, visit boatingmag.com. And until next time, I'm Kevin Falvey.